What happens to thousands of old cars after they are completely destroyed? Rusted, broken, and abandoned vehicles that seem like useless junk are actually hiding something shocking. Because inside massive scrap factories, these wrecked cars are transformed into valuable new metal that is used again to build the world around us. Every year, millions of old cars reach the end of their life. Some are damaged beyond repair, while others are simply too old to run. But what happens to these abandoned vehicles? Most people think they are just thrown away, but in reality, they go through one of the most powerful recycling processes in the world. Inside massive scrap factories, old cars are transformed into reusable metal that is used again in new vehicles, buildings, and industrial machines. What looks like useless junk is actually a valuable source of raw material. The journey begins at large scrapyards, where old and damaged cars are collected from different places. These vehicles arrive completely worn out, rusted, and broken. Before the recycling process starts, workers remove important parts, such as batteries, fuel, tires, and fluids. This step is important for safety and environmental protection. Once the cars are fully prepared, they are moved to the main processing area. Huge machines lift and carry the vehicles onto conveyor systems that take them toward the crushing section. At this stage, the cars are no longer treated as vehicles, but as raw material. Next comes one of the most powerful steps in the entire process, crushing. Giant hydraulic presses compress entire cars into compact metal blocks within seconds. The sound of crushing steel echoes through the factory as vehicles are flattened completely. Doors, frames, and roofs are all compressed into a single dense piece of metal. After crushing, the metal blocks are sent to shredding machines. These industrial shredders use powerful rotating blades to tear the cars into small pieces. Steel, aluminum, and other metals are broken down into mixed fragments. Sparks fly as metal is cut and crushed at high speed. Now the separation process begins. Huge magnets are used to pull out steel from the shredded material. Since steel is magnetic, it is easily separated from other components. Other advanced systems separate aluminum and copper using special sorting technology. Each type of metal is collected separately for reuse. The recovered metal is then transported to melting furnaces. Inside these massive furnaces, the metal is heated at extremely high temperatures until it becomes liquid. Molten steel glows bright orange as it is poured into molds and shaped into large metal blocks. These metal blocks are not waste anymore. They are sent to factories where they are used again to build new cars, bridges, machines, and construction materials. This completes the recycling cycle. What once was an old broken vehicle on the road is now a valuable raw material that will be used to build the future. Car recycling is not only important for industry, but also for the environment. It reduces waste, saves natural resources, and decreases the need for new mining. Without recycling, millions of tons of metal would go to waste every year. From abandoned vehicles to reusable steel, this massive industrial process shows how powerful modern recycling technology has become. Every old car has the potential to return as something new, strong, and useful again. And that is how old cars are recycled into new metal inside a massive scrap factory process.